Hi guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some incredible finds and last minute gift ideas just in time for Father's Day. Now, most of the items that I am going to be hauling, actually, all the items that I'm going to be hauling in today's video are from the Dollar Tree, but you can also find some incredible last minute Father's Day gift ideas from Dollar General. You can also find them at Target and Walmart. So don't feel like you're just limited to the Dollar Tree. This is just kind of some very budget-friendly gift ideas to get your creative juices flowing. And I am just going to be so excited with the type of basket or gift idea item that you can come up with that special father or lack of father in your life. So without any further ado, we're going to get started with today's Dollar Tree Father's Day gift haul. So let's get started. First up, we need a basket. If you have a Cricut, you can definitely monogram it here, but for the sake of it being a budget-friendly video, I'm not going to monogram it, but you could do something really cute. This basket, the theme of this basket is gonna be Grill Master, so you can put like grill and then master here with your Cricut with a little grill. You can put a grill and just a word master and not two words. That would be really cute. But these are at the Dollar Tree. I also hauled a grill scrubber. Those are always needed. Okay. A lighter. A chilling and grilling napkin. Also from the Dollar Tree. Pot holders. These are all things that are very needed. Waxed basket liners. These cute little corn holders. A corn tray set. And then a plethora of grilling tools. Condiment bottles, and a few more grilling tools. So those are all the items we have. And then I also have my handy dandy heat gun. And I will link one down in the description box below. So let's get started creating our gift basket. Okay, so I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance. It's just a filler. It was 39 cents. You could use anything for the filler, but I'm gonna use that from Hobby Lobby. And then you can also get your little crinkle paper to go in the basket. All right, so the next thing that I want to do is kind of create the focal point. So all of the larger items I'm gonna put like on the back of the basket. So it can kind of go upwards. And I'm gonna pull off all of the stickers as well.
Something's might be over my troubles. Yeah, they've been there for so long now. Ooh, 'cause suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. Ooh, I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely.
Okay, so this one is kind of like a men's self-care basket idea. This would also be great for guys who are going to college. First up, I got this little shower caddy that I thought was really cute, just in black from the Dollar Tree. I also got this Ultimate whiting kit, and it is by Ultimate White, and these are actually at Walmart for $12, and I just picked these up from the Dollar Tree. Another thing that I found that was so cute were these men's beard grooming capes that you can just kind of use the suction cup to put on the mirror. So I thought that would be great, and yeah, these are really cute. Next up, I got the men's face wipes. These are for both face and body. I got a men's grooming kit. I got a moisture bomb sheet mask because they do need a little self-care too. I got a mirror. My husband's always looking for my mirror, especially when he's trying to cut the back of his hair or something. So I thought that was good. I got this triple edge razor. It said, I put blade and razor together. This shaving brush. And if you can get it, the theme is black and lime green. I got a bar of the men's Men Care Dove soap. And just a little loofah, black. So we're gonna put that together really quickly. Oh, and I forgot this really cute sign that says, Dad, my forever hero. So we're gonna put this one together really quickly. It's not gonna take as long as the other one. So I'm just gonna start arranging.
But since you came around, all I see is tomorrow. When you hear me calling, oh, 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 it's you and me. Ooh, yeah, 'cause I cannot fake it. No matter how I feel, yeah, 'cause you heal my aching heart. When you come around, I saw a million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. Oh, I think I might be over my troubles. They've been there for so long now. It's over. 'Cause suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. Yeah, ooh, I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely. But since you came around, all I see is tomorrow.
Okay, you guys, so that is how the basket turned out. My scissors were a little bit dull, so I'll fix the tails of those of the ribbon a little bit later. So those are the two baskets that I did. You can also do an automotive themed basket, a snack attack basket, the list goes on. Now, speaking of snack attack, Hobby Lobby has these letter trays that are just $4.99, and I think these would be so cute as a charcuterie board for your dad. You can fill them with all of his favorite treats, whatever they may be, whether it's strawberries or fruit or wings and dip or whatever the case may be. I think these would be super cute to give to dad as well. You just want to, I would still probably line it with some saran wrap to be on the safe side. Okay, you guys, so that concludes my Father's Day DIY gift ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed them. I would like to know down in the comments which gift idea with your dad or that special dad in your life like most. Would it be the grilling themed basket, the self-care basket that you can also add a really nice luxury cologne or scent to? Or would it be the letter charcuterie board with all of his favorite snacks and just some quiet time for him to watch the game? Let me know down in the comments below which one would be your favorite. All of these can be done in less than 20 minutes. Most of them can be done in 10 minutes or less. The basket that I did, the self-care basket, only took 8 minutes from start to finish. So you can definitely DIY these in a hurry. And it doesn't look like it. It really looks like you put a lot of thought and a lot of thought behind the gift. And to me, that is what really matters most, the thought behind it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave me a huge thumbs up. If you're not a member of the Lux for Less family, I would love to have you to be a part. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button and you will be a member just like that. I love you guys. I hope you have an incredible Father's Day. I hope you have an incredible time celebrating. And for those of you who don't have a father in your life, for those of you that may not have your father with you this year, maybe your father passed away, just know that your Heavenly Father is still here with you. He loves you. I love you. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!